Hey guys, I just finished my Crossfire, Strike Fighter, if you want to call it. Really called both, but whatever. Finished it and call it Crossfire. I obviously just direct slide, put on the blue one. Stephens. The Tilly goes pretty good for a Crossfire. Goes pretty far. The accuracy is a little bit lacking, but I can fix that. So that's really all I have to say here. The mods I did to it were an airstrip removal, a spring upgrade. That's really it. So